How to fix can't follow people on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you facing TikTok follow issues right now? Here's how you can fix it. So if you can't follow or the follow button is not working or not available on TikTok application, you can just go ahead and try the solutions. So remember that the follow limit for TikTok is 10 to 30 per hour, that is 10,000 in total. So wait for 24 to 48 hours, slow down and unfollow the inactive accounts on your device. Another thing you can do is you can try clearing the cache. For that, tap on your profile and then tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right, go to settings and privacy, scroll down and then tap on free up space, tap on clear again to confirm. And this will clear the cache on the TikTok application and it won't affect any of your TikTok experience. Another method to clear your cache is to simply go ahead and tap and hold on to this application. Tap on the eye icon in the top to go to app info. Again, scroll down and go to storage. Click on clear cache. Come back, try disabling this application and re-enable it again. And sometimes TikTok can be outdated, so it can cause various problems. So you just need to go ahead and download or install the latest version of TikTok application and you'll be done. And avoid spamming, following or unfollowing and violating the community guidelines. And stop following people for 2 to 3 days and then limit to 10 to 15 accounts per hour. Also check your Wi-Fi or data and restart the phone and try another device. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.